A man spends 60% of his income. So convert 60% into a fraction. So this is a income, this is a expenditure. So income 5, so expenditure 3, savings 2. So his income is increased by 15%. And expenditure is increased by 15%. So 5% of 15. Okay, so it is very difficult to calculate. Okay, so here I am taking, whenever this value is 500, this value is 300, value is 200. This value is not changed. Okay, so 15% of 500 is 75. So 15% of 300 is 45. Now the income is 575 and expenditure is 345. So the savings is 575 minus 345. Value is 230. So it is a percentage change in its savings. So savings is increased by 30. So 30 increased by 30. So 30 by 200 into 100. Here we are comparing with 200. So 200 should be in denominator. So 30 by 200 into 100. So value is equal to 15%. So income, expenditure and saving. So incomes are in the ratio 5:3. Savings is 2. Here take 500, 200, 300 and 200. So there is a fraction 5/3. We can multiply any constant in both numerator and denominator. The value is not changed. So income is increased by 15% and expenditure is increased by 15%. So 15% of 500 value is 75. 15% of 300 is 45. So no need to add these two values 575 and add these two values 345 and subtract these two values. So instead of doing all these calculations, the value is equal to increased income minus increased expenditure. So 75 minus 45. So value is 30. So the change in savings is 30 by 200 into 100. So value is equal to 15%. The man spends 5,700 out of his income of 8,550. If his income and expenditure are increased by 19% and 13%. Find the percentage change in saving. So income, expenditure, save. Income is 8,550. Expenditure is 5,700. Saving is income minus expenditure. So 8550 minus 5700. So subtract 15 minus 8, 72. So 2850. Says income is increased by 19%. Expenditure is increased by 13%. Okay, so to calculate 19% of 8,550, it is very difficult to find the 19% of 8,550. So 13% of 5,700. Okay, little bit. Okay, so and subtract the result value and calculate the percentage. Okay, so whenever we are using percentages, fraction and ratio, there is no need to consider the real values. Here real values are 8,550, 5,700. So simply take the ratio. So 8550 by 5700. So 00 cancel. So 3, 2. So the ratio of income and expenditure are 3:2. Savings are income minus expenditure 1. So 300, 200, 100. So income is increased by 19%. So 19% of 300 is 19 into 3. So 57. So that his expenditure is increased by 13%. So 13% of 200 is 26. So the saving is 57 minus 26. So 31. So it increased by 31. So 31 by 100 into 100. So that is 31%. Okay.